different mango. This is different mango. Not the same. This we eat like green apple.
Apple mango.
Similar, yes sir. Taste similar. Like apple green color. Less sour, a little bit sweet but crunchy. But you like sweet mango, right?
Yes.
We go for that one. In Thailand, selling mango 1 kilo. 50 baht now. 50 baht 1 kilo.
Very cheap. Market.
It's our local market. We're gonna buy some fresh seafood here. And after we shopping, we take tuk-tuk back. No more walking. No more walking. I'm gonna show you the original fish sauce. Thailand anchovy. Thailand anchovy. It is a real egg tart. Real egg tart, yes. Cannot find in 7-Eleven. No. Butterfly pea flour.
Butterfly.
This is gonna be inside your mango sticky rice. Very healthy, very famous for people who have high blood sugar. You drink the juice and then sugar come down inside your body. Today we get this one. Thailand people like this one, but a little bit bitter. Very local product. You will not get it in supermarket. Some supermarket have, but some supermarket don't have. Tom yum. Very important. Very spicy. Korean ginger there. Thailand ginger look like this. Thailand ginger also look like this. Finger ginger. Look like finger ginger. This is for your tom yum. This is for your curry today. Also this also in curry. Very spicy. Cannot eat like this. Many foreigners wear this because they don't know it's not the hat. Similar somehow. When they walk to local market, right will be in here. Under will be water. Yes, supermarket like this. In Thailand, long and thin. Make big, don't eat. Don't eat. Big chunk. Like this. Like this. Okay, squeeze now. Okay, everyone now, if you are ready,
fish sauce. Yeah, you look.
Break out is mean no ready นะคะ and then now next one so
The flower. Now place a flower.
more colorful more blue more healthy so now นะครับ and then we have to let it set for about 30 minutes so